Well, we got the red light here. Let's give her full throttle, boys. Listen to her scream. Wow, it's got, I would say it's got a lot more power, but definitely feels like it shifts a lot better, and it's got more, it's breathing better, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it's not as boggy. Woo! So here we go, we were driving on the interstate and I got this brilliant idea, you know. The farm truck kinda was lackluster on our silencer ring removal. So then I got this great idea. Oh, Tough Guy. So Tough Guy over here has the same exact turbo pretty much as farm truck. Kind of what Tough Guy sounds like on the interstate. Take the farm truck out for a quick cruise. We'll see what it sounds like. You know, we're not going to really hear that much. We heard last time with that silencer ring out. Didn't really make a big difference. But I think that air intake's going to make a big difference. Yeah, so I'm not really, not feeling it. Like you can tell here, not really getting a whole lot of sound out of the old girl. So let's try and fix that, shall we? We'll use our 5/16. Loosen that intake up. Rip it off. There we go. Just be this one clamp right here. And we should be free. Perfect. So it's just the reverse, you know, I'll put the farm trucks onto the Tough Guy, and the Tough Guys onto the farm truck, and we'll just see how they sound. I'm kind of curious about for the Tough Guy if it increases mileage a little bit. The stock system is kind of ram air. It's got this goes into the fender well, and then the air comes in. It goes into the turbo through I believe it's 4-inch tube. So I'm kind of curious if on the interstate if it actually helps the Tough Guy with some mileage. Side story. Maybe. Now we'll just get this all lined up. And go. We'll get this lined up on there. Spun around. It's in position. Good to go. Boy, the struggle is real right now. Get this tightened down. All right. And now, Tough Guy. Woo, shift, buddy. And now farm truck has the performance intake. Let's go for a ride. We got turbo noises. Pretty sweet. Make her scream, boys. Woo! Listen to her scream. Oh yeah. Whistling away, huh? Very nice. Very happy. I'm gonna have to get a different intake for this. So I know what you're thinking, but what does the exhaust sound like? Well, let's do a before and after of that. Now guys, let's hear that stock exhaust one more time. Hey guys, I appreciate everybody that checked out my first modification video. Stay tuned for more of them. We'll be having a lot of fun with this truck. And just listen to that exhaust purr. It sounds great. Have a good night, brothers.